Hello, just like to let you know that I've got a new channel on YouTube now. It's called Minim Guitars, and it's dedicated to my new endeavour of building these little things out of biscuit tins and recycled wood and all sorts of stuff I find lying around. So if you're into guitars, guitar music, or guitar building, or DIY stuff like that, then I'd really appreciate it if you check out the link in the description, go over there and have a look, and if you like it, please consider subscribing so that I can try and get this thing off the ground, so to speak. Here's a quick little montage of the kind of thing you might expect to see over there. Okay, well there you go. Hope there was something there that piqued your interest a little bit. Please go and have a look and consider subscribing if you like what you see. Cheers!